Okay, this is my first attempt at my turbo lawnmower. I haven't thought too much in it. I just hooked it up right now just to make sure it was even going to work. And as you can see, I have a, this is a real turbo setup. I've never seen any other good one like this on YouTube. It's all fake. But that's exhaust from the engine going into the turbo, which I haven't made this yet, the exhaust. I have the wastegate side off, maximum boost for optimum performance. Let's see, I got my VTEC up here, and I got the blow side of the turbo right into the engine, and then the suck side on the carburetor. And I guess I'll just put this up here for now. Okay. Can you start? Yep. Let's go. Turbo lawnmower. Ah. Hold that. Well, shut it off. Shut it off! Yeah, buddy. And that is my turbo lawnmower by Greco. Peace.